Here's what no one tells you about a college open house. It takes a lot of preparation. Planning for open houses starts at least 4 months ahead of the event. We begin by looking at surveys from the year before to see what went really well, what we can improve on, so we're making sure that each event is even better than the year before.
We put ourselves in your shoes. We generally listen to your concerns as they come up throughout the day, and it's meaningful to us to help you navigate these issues. As Bucknell's Dean of Admissions, it's important for me that you walk away from this institution understanding what it offers.
We coordinate with all campus partners, and at an admissions open house, we sort of serve it like a buffet so that you can see all the resources and services that we have to offer.
Here in the admissions office, we work our butts off. We want to ensure that the day runs smoothly for prospective students and families, and though my colleagues and I are exhausted, we know it's well worth it.
We are genuinely excited to have you here. Admissions work is centered around prospective students, and the idea that you would take the time to visit a college campus, it really gives us excitement. So there you have it. That's what no one tells you about a college open house.